The world of work is changing, and artificial intelligence is playing a bigger role than ever. AI has changed many parts of our lives, making it a great tool for starting a new business or side hustle. Today, starting an online side hustle is easier than ever because of AI. It helps you work faster and smarter, making it possible to successfully generate extra income with little to no money. In this video, we'll unveil 8 great AI side hustles you can launch with little to no money. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Digital products. AI can be a valuable tool for generating digital products that can be sold online. The idea is to use AI tools to help you create digital products and then sell them online through either your website or on specialized marketplaces. If you're not familiar with the term, digital products are intangible goods or services that are created and distributed electronically, without a physical component. Examples include software, ebooks, templates, digital art, and more. One example of a digital product that can be created with AI is digital art. You can sell your creations through an online store like Etsy shop, or sell them on online marketplaces. When it comes to digital art, you can specialize in printable art, digital wallpapers, or backgrounds. Another AI-based digital product idea is to create and sell templates. Depending on your niche, you can create templates for websites, emails, calendars, worksheets, and more. Number 2. AI influencer. Another exciting side hustle is creating an AI influencer. With the rise of AI, people are making virtual influencers or using AI to enhance their presence as influencers. This means you can create a digital character that looks and acts like a human, but is entirely created by AI. To create an AI influencer, you can use tools like DALL-E 3 and CapCut AI character tool. DALL-E 3 can generate highly realistic images from text descriptions, while CapCut's AI character tool can create a virtual human who can say anything you want. Unlike real influencers, AI influencers don't need salaries, breaks, or travel expenses. Once created, they can work continuously. Additionally, you have complete control over the AI influencer's appearance, personality, and actions, allowing for highly tailored and unique brand representation. AI influencers can be replicated and used across multiple platforms simultaneously, reaching a broader audience without additional costs. Number 3. Colorization. You can offer photo colorization as a service. Adding color to black and white photos can bring them to life in a whole new way. Many families are willing to pay for this service because it allows them to see their old memories in vibrant detail, making them feel more connected to their past. With the advancement of AI technology, colorizing photos has become easier and faster than ever. Tools like CapCut, a free all-in-one video editing and graphic design tool, offer AI-driven photo colorization features. You simply drag and drop the black and white photo into the tool, and with a single click, the AI will add realistic colors to the image in seconds. Because the process is so quick and the results are impressive, you can charge a reasonable fee for the service, making it a profitable side hustle. To attract more clients and increase your earnings, you can upsell additional services such as photo restoration. Many old black and white photos come faded and scratched. Using AI tools, you can repair these damages and enhance the overall quality of the photo, providing even more value to your clients. Number 4. Video creation. Creating videos has become a popular way for people to earn extra income on the side. Thanks to advancements in AI multimedia tools such as CapCut, the process of video creation has become more accessible and straightforward. The tools utilize artificial intelligence to automate many aspects of the video editing process, making it easier for beginners to create high-quality content without extensive technical knowledge. CapCut, for example, offers a range of features that simplify video editing. One notable capability is its automatic editing function, which can quickly cut, trim, and arrange video clips to create a polished final product. Additionally, the app provides a variety of effects, filters, music tracks, and sound effects that users can easily incorporate into their videos to enhance their visual appeal and overall quality. It also includes tools for adding text, stickers, and other elements to videos, allowing creators to personalize their content and make it more engaging for viewers. If you're enjoying this video, Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more valuable content. Let's continue. Number 5. Video captions. Recently, there's been a big demand for captioning services for videos. If you're good at adding captions, you can turn it into a side job and earn some extra income. Depending on how long the video is, you would make anywhere from $10 to $50 for each video you work on. That's not bad for something that doesn't take too much time or effort. Luckily, technology has made adding captions a lot easier and faster. Take CapCut for example. It helps you add captions in no time. Here's how it works. You start by putting your video on a timeline in the app. Then with just a few clicks, you can tell the app to add captions automatically. The AI gets to work right away generating captions for the entire video in a matter of seconds. Of course, the AI isn't perfect, so you'll want to double check the captions to make sure they're accurate. If you spot any mistakes, you can easily fix them before saving your video. Once everything looks good, you're all set to share the captioned video with your client. Number 6. Social media graphics. Engaging in social media graphic design can be a rewarding side hustle opportunity. With the aid of AI technology, creating visually appealing graphics for businesses and individuals has become more accessible than ever. Platforms such as Canva, CapCut, and Adobe offer user-friendly tools that simplify the design process, making it possible for even beginners to produce professional quality graphics. Interestingly, CapCut offers a tool called Text to Design. With this tool, you just write a description of the graphic you want and upload an image. The AI then generates several custom graphics for you to choose from, saving you a lot of time and effort. CapCut also has a library of business image templates. You can browse through these templates and pick one that fits your needs. They have standard square templates, perfect for posts, and Instagram story templates for engaging content. If you want, you can always edit a graphic from scratch to suit your specific requirements. The best way to make money with social media graphics is through long-term partnerships. Additionally, consider offering packages that include a set number of graphics each month at a discounted rate. This can be attractive to businesses looking for consistent and cost-effective design solutions. Number 7. YouTube thumbnails. Creating thumbnails for YouTube videos can be a way to make some extra money. People are charging as much as $50 for each thumbnail they design. Some YouTubers are even willing to pay more because they understand how important a thumbnail is for getting people to watch their videos. To design thumbnails, you can use tools like Photoshop or CapCut. These tools have lots of features that make it easy to create eye-catching thumbnails. You can add text, pictures, and stickers to make your thumbnails stand out and attract more viewers to the videos. Designing a thumbnail that people will click on requires research and analysis on what makes a thumbnail effective. Look at popular videos and see what kinds of thumbnails they use. Notice the colors, text styles, and layouts that seem to grab attention. To find clients, reach out to YouTube creators, both big and small, as well as businesses with YouTube channels. Offer your services and make sure you have a portfolio to show them. Having a strong portfolio is key. Also, consider offering packages where clients can get multiple thumbnails at a discounted rate. This can be appealing to YouTubers who post frequently and need regular thumbnail designs. Building long-term relationships with clients can ensure a steady income and help you grow your business over time. Number 8. Content repurposing. A lot of people who make videos need assistance turning their long videos into shorter ones for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. They're willing to pay quite a bit of money, sometimes tens of hundreds of dollars, for each short video or edit. Repurposing video content usually involves adding captions, which we've already discussed, and resizing the video to fit the size requirements of each platform. But that's not all. Many creators also want special video effects, which is another service you could offer. Video effects can make the content more engaging and visually appealing, which can help attract more viewers. A good place to start if you want to offer this service is by reaching out to creators who make interview or podcast videos. These types of videos are perfect for the repurposing because they often have lots of interesting moments that can be condensed into shorter clips. Plus, many of these creators are looking for help with editing, so they might be open to working with you. To begin, You can offer to help them by identifying key moments in their long videos that would make great short clips. For instance, if there's a funny moment, an interesting fact, or an insightful quote, these can be turned into individual TikToks or Reels. After identifying the clips, you resize them to fit the specific platform's aspect ratio. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other social media platforms each have their preferred aspect ratios for videos. TikTok, for example, prefers vertical videos with a 9:16 aspect ratio, while Instagram Reels typically uses a square aspect ratio of 1:1. Resizing the clips ensures that they look good and fit well on each platform. Once the clips are resized, you can add captions and make them more engaging and accessible. Captions help viewers understand the content, especially when they're scrolling through their feeds without sound. You can either transcribe the audio from the original video or write custom captions to highlight key points or add humor. In addition to resizing and adding captions, you can also enhance the clips with special effects or animations to make them stand out. This could include adding text overlays, transitions between clips, or filters to enhance the visual appeal. With the help of AI tools, you can dive into fields like video editing, graphic design, and more, all from the comfort of your own home. So why wait? Start exploring these exciting opportunities today and turn your skills into extra income. Which side hustle are you considering trying out? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable content and financial insight. Thanks for watching.